Hello everyone. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question pertaining to geometry in general. So let's take a look at the question itself. Two congruent right circular cones, each with base radius 3 and height 8, radius 3 and height 8 have axis symmetry that intersect at right angles at a point in the interior of the cone at a distance 3 from the base of each cone. A sphere of radius r lies within both the cones. The maximum possible value of r square is m by 9, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. So find m by 9. So this is a question given. So let's try and understand the diagram of the same. So here it is, the diagram of the same. So now let's take a look at what we have. Base cone with radius is 3. So basically what is the radius of the cone? So base. So basically this would be 3, this would be 3, 3, 3. Height of the cone would be at 8. So this entire length would be 8. Okay. And distance intersect at the point which is a distance 3 from each cone. So this particular distance here, just let me highlight with a different color. This particular distance will be 3. Okay, 3. So hopefully these things are clear to you. So now let's take a look at the how we can come about solving this particular question in general. So the idea would be take the cross section of the plane of symmetry formed by the two cones. Let the point where the bases intersect be the origin O. Be the origin and the bases form the positive x and y axis. Okay. Now, by symmetry, if we take a look at that, the center of the circle must be at 3, 3. Okay. So basically what we do, we are taking this particular point as the origin itself. Here this is the point where the bases intersect, and we have taken this, we have actually inverted it vertically so that this particular point comes up, so that highlight the point. This we have taken as origin and we have inverted this vertically so that this particular point, the center itself, it comes out to be 3, 3. So we have simply inverted the same. Therefore, radius can be represented as (8x minus 3y equal to 0) using point line distance formula. R square would be given by 15 square by root under 8 square plus 3 square whole square, which would further given to 25 by 73. So here this will be m, this will be n, so m plus n will be further given by 298. So hopefully this thing is clear to you, the approach we have taken towards solving this particular problem in general. So with that said, we have basically come to the end of the video. Try and make a brief idea about the figure itself and that rotation we have done, so that we can basically use the basically line distance formula to determine the final answer as I said. So with that said, we come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.